Hello everyone, welcome back to Tower PH TV, and in this video we're going to do a shoe unboxing. This is from Nike and this is the 18th shoe designed from Kevin Durant line. So as you can see, they have the KD logo and Easy Money written on the cover. Then we got the Kevin Durant signature on the side, in size 11. And the other side, nothing much. The back, engineered and built to the exact specifications of Kevin Durant. So as you all know, sa NBA, Kevin Durant is one of the top players, top player. Now will be playing with Houston Rockets and one of the better scorers when it comes players ng NBA. So yun, before we check out, let's check our intro.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So hindi masyadong kita guys, but meron pala ditong easy na parang marking. It's like color blue or something. So yun, other than that, nothing much on the box. And when you open the box, you got this tissue paper or napkin, and you already have this shoe. By the way, yung colorway nito guys is black and gold university. So the reason why I picked this one is because it has gold, and malapit na yung liga namin sa JRU alumni. So I will be joining again guys, and we'll be donning these shoes. So yung gold part lang ang medyo tutugma sa aming uniform, but I think ang color ng uniform namin ngayon is blue and gold. So anyway, meron pa rin siyang gold. So now going back to the shoe. So this is the 18th this is the 18th iteration of the KD line. As you can see sa mga reviews, then it's basically almost the same dun sa KD 17 with the design. Yung eyelet lang nung medyo may difference siya, and the way it covers yung shoe sa midfoot tsaka sa side. So yun, it's made of textile material, and medyo not sure if this is synthetic leather, no? Also this one is medyo may pagka-rubberize siya with this parang mga dots na markings, and yung lining niya is gold na medyo plastic. Naka-stitch yung side niya, yung parang wing niya naka-stitch dun sa shoe for added strength sa pag-pull mo, and added support na rin. Tapos yan, medyo mataas yung kanyang rubber. Yun yung medyo nakita natin sa upper niya, no? As for the yung part niya sa traction, medyo when it comes sa gantong traction pattern na wavy and similar dun sa parang contour ng paa, it almost always goes well sa different types of court. Medyo XDR siya, so I believe this can be also used pagdating sa outdoor. And ang insole niya, I believe is Airstrobal hanggang dito. Tapos may 4-foot zoom siya na bottom loaded, and meron siyang parang manipis na plate dito sa may harap, plastic plate, almost similar din dun sa KD17. So if you're watching yung kay Foot Doctor when he sliced or reviewed yung shoes, so yun, basically Foot Doctor reviews are isa sa mga tinitignan natin when it comes sa mga shoe reviews, kasi dinadissect niya talaga yung shoes. So ang tang niya dito sa part na to, medyo may pagka, I'm not sure what material is this, pero may pagka rubber ang dating na pagka plasticky, and to the touch medyo makapal din, especially dito sa may upper tongue with the KD logo. Yung laces niya is medyo flat with the mix of stitch, gold, black and gold Sa loob meron siyang, let's see if we can remove yung kanyang insole. So mga ganito nakadikit yung insole so yan, let's try it later. Baka nakadikit siya, so try to remove it. So ang pansin ko dito guys, no, pag tinignan nyo siya, it's like, alam nyo yung mga tito shoes, yung mga uncle shoes na medyo pang walking or ano. So this basically reminds me of it, although si KD is one of the older guys na rin sa court, so medyo ang dating sa akin nga is walking shoes niya na merong mga tech for you to be able to play sa basketball, especially dito sa 4 foot na yung design niya. So and also another thing, it reminds me of yung mga outdoor shoes, yung mga pang mountaineering na shoes. So yun yung nag-remind sa akin with this colorways. Other colorways naman medyo okay, but with this one I picked it because I think good siya or cool siya, hindi lang pang basketball. When I tried to fit this, it's a little bit on the wider side, pero nagiging narrow siya when you yung lacing, because nagra-wrap around talaga sa foot mo itong mga wings na nandito sa side, which is connected dun sa lace. And other thing, they have this KD. So dun sa KD medyo ang daming mga easy na nakasulat, easy tas KD, and at the back nandun uli yung easy. But this is something na ayokong makita kay KD pagdating niya sa Houston, yung medyo pa easy lang. So yun guys, as said, medyo natanggalan natin, but it has this thin na foam na insole. Medyo nakadikit siya, but something flimsy with the parang water drop design, and it says yung 18. At napansin ko rin, no, this one sa taas meron siyang date, June 28, 2007. So let's check later kung ano yung meaning ng date na yun. But let me get some light, and pag binuksan mo guys ay makikita mo yung strobel board or yung air strobel na hanggang mid foot. Tapos yun yung plate, so if you'll be able to see yung plate sa loob, so hanggang top loaded siya, pero yung air zoom niya nasa ilalim ng plate. Yan guys. So yun guys, June 28, 2007 was when Kevin Durant was drafted into the NBA. So other things that I can add, small swoosh left and right. Heel counter niya is medyo yun, merong matigas na heel counter dito or sa may heel cup to protect your ankle din. So hanggang dito lang from here, yan. Makakapa mo siya, and of course as said, itong kanyang sa may boot is makapal, and yung kanyang tang naka-stitch up to this part, and you can see yung kanyang material is really breathable. So makikita mo yung you can see through dun sa material. So yun guys, nothing much I can say about this one. Siguro I'll just share na lang some inputs pag nagamit na natin ito sa court. But as said, if you're going to pick it, go through the size. Yun, maganda yung fit niya. Medyo okay siya sa mga a little wide footer. Tapos pag nag-lockdown siya, because of this design, medyo yun, maganda yung lockdown niya. Heel slippage, almost zero, napaka minimal. So na-try ko siyang isuot, hindi siya nag-slip because of the medyo deep yung dito sa may heel cup, tapos yun nga makapal yung sa main side ng boot niya or sa top ng boot. Ang medyo concern ko lang dito guys is this one is made of plastic, and yun nga, although this one I believe is leather, As you can see, naka-stitch din siya doon sa pinaka-upper. Hindi siya natatanggal. So, technically hindi siya naka-loose. So, naka-stitch siya. Ang ano ko lang dito is yung wear and tear nito. Dahil doon sa laces niya. So, pag medyo lagi kayo mahigpit mag-lace, baka magkaroon ng crack doon and eventually tuloy-tuloy siya. So, I'm really not a fan of this kind of design, but with this shoe, actually, kakalabas lang niya, no? Nakakagulat dito, and kwento ko na rin, I was able to win a $100 voucher sa isang event for Nike. So, I was actually trying to get or to Kobe shoes, pero walang size 11 ako nakuha. And then I saw this one, so I think this one will fit best dahil medyo merong gold na sakto dun sa liga namin. And yun, even that $100 na voucher, tapos naka-sale pa to. Nagulat ako, kakalabas lang yan, naka-sale siya, 30% discount sa yan, shoutout dyan sa mga kasama natin sa Nike Glorieta. So, I only paid 291 pesos for this one. So, 30% discount plus yung voucher, that's 291 pesos. And, yun, kinuha ko na. And I'll be using this one. Kwentuhan ko na lang kayo guys kung ano yung magiging performance niya. So, again guys, this is the KD18 na black gold university colorway, and this is my review of this shoe. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo guys, and if you own this shoe, please share your thoughts dito sa comment section below. What do you think about this shoe? What are your experiences? And yun, sa mga future videos natin, ayan guys, I will try to share as much when it comes to performance. And hanggang dito lang guys, yun, maraming salamat, and I would like to give a big shout out sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul and CC Geb Hampas Lupang Burgis. Big shout out kay Mami Madselen, Mami Belsado, and Daddy HLJ. And sa mga supporters natin, si Miss Ida Grace, si Anwar Labne TV, and si Margie TV yon. So please support their channels too. So yun, big shoutout din sa ating mga kaibigan ng mukbangers, SM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. Sa mga nagko-collect ng shoes, big shoutout sa inyo guys. And sa mga friends natin na collectors din ng shoes or babayan sell ng shoes, si Wilson G, and of course yung ating best friend na collector ng Jason Tatum shoes, si Aris Reyes. Big shoutout din sa inyo. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang, and if hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, this is Tower PH TV where we talk about different types of collections and investment. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and share na din, and sa mga hindi pa nga nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron pa tayong mga bagong videos. So yun guys, kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating pang mga susunod na videos. I still have a lot of shoes na i-unbox, so hopefully makasama ko kayo. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Goes with that right.